Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome to Where the Vibes Are At. It's your girl, Lade Vibes. And in today's episode of my 75 Lola challenge, I am bringing you guys a week full of workouts because I'm actually doing it. Yeah, my haters thought I couldn't do it. Well, who's laughing now? So guys, I'm currently in week 2, so we only have 9 weeks left, and 9 weeks is a lot. 9 weeks is about 2 months and a little bit, which is not even bad because in about week 6 I'm done with school. So yeah, I would have all the time in the world in summertime to do everything I have to do. And so basically, yeah, that's how you know the workout hits yesterday. My back is hurting. Basically this week I'm bringing you guys along with me again to the gym, hitting my 5 times a week workouts. I think it's kind of crazy that it's 5 times a week. I know, like, a lot of people are like, that's a lot of times to go to the gym. It's not 5 times a week to the gym. I don't think I clarified that last time. It is 3 times weight training and then 2 times a week straight cardio, because I do want to lose some body fat percentage. I want to lower my body fat percentage. And also, something changed this week. Last week I said I was eating 2,000 calories. Well, I found out this week that 2,000 calories is actually a lot, but it's not like above my maintenance calories, because I found out my maintenance calories is actually 1,126. But yeah, I found that out, and also with finding that out, I realized, oh, like 2,000 calories is too little of a deficit for someone who wants to lose a substantial amount. Not like a lot of weight, but like as long as the weight is above 10 pounds, 100 calorie deficit for me is too small because it will take so long. And so I'm like, okay, cool, like what should we do about it? So we decreased the calorie deficit. So yeah, I'm now eating at 1,800 calories. I'm not eating at 1,800 calories, which is a little lower than what I normally eat, and it's been a little hard, but for some odd reason, and I think that's just the grace of God, it's actually been kind of easy to maintain that this week. I'm probably gonna keep it at 1,800 until after the first month, and then I'm gonna recalculate it based on the consistency I've been seeing with the first month here. But yeah, guys, it's been a little hard, I wouldn't even lie. But and you guys know I never shoot my intro videos way before the week starts, so I've already started the week. Yeah, it's been, let's just get into the video. Yeah, I'm bringing you guys meal prepping. I'm bringing you guys a little insight of what I do. Not full insight. I think when I've reached my goal, I would show you guys what I do. But for now, I'm just gonna bring you guys insight here and there of what I do. And that's basically it. So hope you are ready to enjoy yourself and also to see me struggle in the gym. Let's get into the video. This is week 2 Lola. I just came back from church like 4 hours ago, did an assignment, but I was like, oh my gosh, I'm not recording what I'm eating and showing you guys. So I decided, like, I was gonna meal prep, but I forgot to record. So I was like, let me show you guys. So I'm going home on Friday, which means dinner will not be here. It will be home in Calgary. But I decided to chef up five meals. Five. They're not like the most delicious thing because I'm working with what we have at home. But that is it right there. I made five. This is one, the last one. Five. This one's for like a day where, like today, like a Sunday kind of vibe where I'm not like exercising too much. And then these like really packed full ones are for my gym days. They're all pretty much averaging the same calories. So, and I'm eating them all this week, so it doesn't matter. But you can't really get the exact calories when you're making food. Like it can't be 100% perfect, and I'm just trying my best. my god. You know, if you even made it in Nigeria, the price wouldn't have been that different.
That the real good tailors.
Yes, like to get it like this, it won't have been that different. Maybe a difference of like $200 max. But then you cover that $200 in shipping fees. And the flights you used to go there, because you wouldn't get it to fit this nicely. God, the slits too, everything. Oh my gosh, we said this dress eats. So I'm headed to the gym. It closed at 7, so my workout has to be fast, in and out. But yeah, I'm going right now. My phone was just, so yeah, I'm gonna try and give you guys footage. Okay, y'all. So for second week of consistency, I decided to buy myself this brookie because I've been consistent for 2 weeks at the gym. Even though today I didn't do my best workout because I went like pretty late, but I've been consistent. So this is also to try this to see if my friend. I'm going to share this with my mom actually. And do you want to? I'll give you something soft. This is like the brookie, right? I want to taste it because you know we had the crumble cookie one back in the days when I was still eating crumble cookie. What if it's 10 times better than crumble cookie? I want to give you to 10.
Yeah, I just wanted to put it here.
And also, let me just tell you, I don't know if it's my genetics, but the gains are already coming in clutch. I don't know if it's my genetics. Okay, it might be my genetics because my protein ain't even that high. It ain't even that high. Okay, y'all. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay tuned for next week's video. I would resume a new scheduled posting. So my 75 hard videos will be on Saturdays because that's probably the last day I would finish my workout. And I would add 2 new video series coming up from next week. So stay tuned to those and make sure you like, share, and subscribe. I remain your best friend, your bestie, Lade Vibes, aka Ololade. Period. Okay, see you guys next week. Bye-bye. See you later, twinklies. See you later, twinklies.